Let's see what's in the box. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on. It will have the prompt tone to remind you, and the device status indicator will light up blue and flash. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn off. Connect the device to your computer by using a USB cable. It will automatically turn on. Plug the USB dongle into the computer. The device will be connected automatically when it is turned on. The status LED light of the USB dongle and the device will show steady blue. The status indicator shows blue and flashes, which states the device is in Bluetooth pairing mode. Turn on the Bluetooth setting on your mobile device. Select the EMEET device from the available list. When it is connected successfully, the device status indicator turns steady blue. Short press to answer the call. Short press to hang up the call. Long press for 3 seconds to reject calls. Short press the plus or minus button of the device to increase or decrease the volume of the EMEET device. Short press the mute button to mute or unmute the device microphone. Short press the power button to check battery level. Turn on the EMEET PC software to enter the settings interface. In this interface, you can customize the settings according to your needs, such as updating the firmware version, changing the Bluetooth name, and adjusting the device standby time.